It's nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today, again, charcuterie, salumi, you like a lot. A lot of you ask for new stuff and we do it. Today, we're going to make something very easy. It's a muscle of pork. It's the top bit or nut or knuckle. I don't know the proper name because I asked my butcher, they said top bit or knuckle. Anyway, this is very easy to make. Take a bowl, we need the coarse salt, sea salt, put on the bottom like this. This is gonna be 24 hours in the salt. Like this, try to move around everything like that. In these 24 hours, we have to massage sometime, okay? Not too much, not more than 24 hours, because I don't want it gonna be more salty, you know? We add some fennel seeds on the top, just leave it like that. It's teaspoon anyway. It's teaspoon of paprika, sweet paprika. Put everything inside. We have Juniper Berries. I use 4 of them. Just put inside like that. You know, have to be precise. Okay, and voila. Now massage again with this. It's almost done. And now we add some fresh mint, just like that. Some fresh rosemary. Mix everything and some fresh thyme. Okay. Just like that, guys, okay? Try to move around everything again, like this. Now, more salt on the top. So all this bowl was 180 grams. This piece of meat is 800 grams. But we don't need precise, we need just this meat gonna be in the salt, like this, for 24 hours. Okay, now we put it in the fridge. Sometime going there, just massage. And tomorrow I show you the next step. We're gonna wash it. We're gonna cure it again with some spicy, and we're gonna put it in the skin. And I'm gonna explain the next process follow. Okay, so see you tomorrow after 24 hours. Okay, guys, the 24 hour is gone, and the top bit or knuckle, I don't know, I need help for find the name of this. In Italy it's Noce di maiale. But anyway, Susie, show how much water came out from here. Look, so much water, okay? This is good. Now what we're gonna do, take this and by knife, just try to clean first like that. Now we're gonna wash it. This is spicy. If you don't want spicy, just follow the recipe, just don't put the spicy. Okay, I won't just say I have some skin already here. Ask your butcher. Now we're gonna wash it and we're gonna cure again. I have a teaspoon of sea salt thin, a teaspoon of fine black pepper, a teaspoon of fennel powder, and I'm gonna use as well some fresh black pepper. Okay, Enrico, can you please give me the bowl? Enrico always help me. Thank you very much. Now we're gonna wash. Usually with this one, someone wash with water, with red wine, with vinegar.
Doing it with...
We wash with birra, pivo, cerveza. Okay? Let's try first. Okay, we wash it. Take your time. Yeah? Perfect. Because my partner asked me why with beer. We usually use any antioxidant. Where is alcohol help for this, okay? Enrico, can you please give me that? Okie dokie. Grazie mille. Now, guys, dry, nice. And the job is almost done. Now, Enrico start mix all these 3 spicy inside here.
Ciao.
And I'm forget to take...
And where? This bowl?
The big bowl, yeah.
Everything.
Everything, yeah.
Which one first?
And salt, fennel, and black pepper. Okay, guys, mix everything like this. We use just this little amount because basically this is already cured. Okay. Now, take your time.
Put it everywhere.
Everywhere. Thank you very much, Enrico. That is the skin. The job is done. Okay. We're gonna put in the skin. Okay, this is a big one. Ask your butcher for this. And now we put inside. Take your time. I use this because it's very easy. Now guys, this one.
If you watched it, subscribe please.
Yeah,
Or
always.
I'm gonna get so hungry.
Always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel and check our website
Cooking with an Italian.
.com. Thank you very much. Now guys, it's almost done. We need some string and this one now we're gonna leave. I'm gonna be more precise later, but at least 24-48 hours. I always say room temperature, but they need around 24 to 26 degree. Okay, because they're gonna start the fermentation. Okay, that is one very important part. Okay, this one guys basically is done. Use one of these, make some more for give space to some air to get out. Yeah, like this. Now guys, look how beautiful it is, huh? This one now 24 to 48 hours to have the fermentation. Later we're gonna put in the fridge. Our challenge is drive this in the normal fridge, and the normal fridge gonna be around 4 to 6 weeks. Later I'm gonna be more precise. But anyway, I show you in 24 to 48 hours how is this. And I'm gonna be more precise later. Okay guys, 48 hours. Look how dry it is. The knuckle or top bit, noce di maiale. I need help to know precisely this name in English because I asked some butchers, but they or knuckle or top bit. But if there is some other name, please let me know. But anyway, now we're going to put this in the fridge around 4 to 6 weeks. I'm gonna be more precise later. Later always depend from the fridge or everything. I leave here on the side. I have some salami, pancetta. We do stuff. Anyway, gonna be here for 1.5 months. I'm gonna be more precise later. Later we're gonna test it. Okay, guys. 5 weeks is gone, and the noce or top bit, the cure, the salumi is ready. Now we're going to try. It's all the mold, beautiful, look absolutely good. Now we're going to try it. Look there, beautiful. This is the pepper inside. Oh, look at that. Try to cut thin as possible. Oh, look at that. Guys, I'm very proud. Look, absolutely, I'm drooling already. And the smell. And now we try. And don't forget, this is in normal fridge. Wow. With bread is the best way to try this. Wow, guys. I look like a bresaola. Wow. I'm sorry, guys. Beautiful. Another masterpiece, I think here, because this piece of meat, you know, is broken inside there. Just that's why it's like that. But from here, look, absolutely wow. I don't believe like that. Anyway, guys, I ask help to find the name in English, the proper name, because I didn't find the proper name for this. But this is noce di maiale. Here I know they call top bit, knuckle, or something like that. But it's absolutely delicious, guys. Anyway, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.